Hi, we are standing here now right in front of Tilda Rice, who are the main sponsors of the event today. Goa Day, at its 50th anniversary of the establishment of the association, is being sponsored frequently every year by Tilda Rice. It's a wonderful aroma having rice, no doubt. And we have the manager of Tilda Rice, who are the main sponsors today, to have a small chat with us, which he agreed, and I'm happy that he's here. First of all, let me welcome you, sir, to the our website, Nis Goenkar, which does the coverage for this occasion. And welcome. And as we proceed ahead, I would like to ask you that what do you think about this Goan event?
It's one of the most fantastic events, I think, all across UK. Family atmosphere, great food, great music, and it's such a nice outing today. It's just wonderful, and people come from all over the UK and abroad as well. And you can see the place is just buzzing at the moment, so it's really good.
You all have been sponsoring this event for a long time. What do you feel about it?
We work very closely with the community. So the Goan community are big fans of Tilda. They love Tilda. And we work very closely with them. We have many people who write to us. We talk to them even regularly. And this is a time when we can actually meet them face to face and connect with them. So it gives us a good opportunity to talk to all of them.
Tilda Rice is a well-known brand. At least to me, I have myself been a consumer of it, and just one thing, when people come here, do you all have any special promotion here of Tilda Rice?
Yeah, absolutely. We have some really nice, exciting promotions. We've got some special offer on Tilda Basmati, and also we've launched a new extra long rice called Tilda Grand, and we've got some really attractive offers on Tilda Grand as well. You will not find these offers in any store, so it's something really special, only for the community, only for today. So if you're watching this, do come and take part in that.
Is this is Indian rice, if I'm not mistaken?
That's right, yeah. So Basmati basically grows in Punjab, and we buy the rice in Punjab, and we distribute globally in over 50 countries, and across UK, Europe, Germany, France, all over.
Which means you all do a lot of hard work and a lot of efforts to get all this rice out here.
Rice is our passion. We've been in the rice business for more than 40 years, and we are really committed to this, and we really enjoy working together with communities and growing, helping everybody.
Have you got any specialty in this rice? Any specialty that you can talk about this rice?
So especially if you're a big fan of biryanis and pilaus, we have Tilda Grand today, which is extra long variety. So when you cook it, the rice is going to be really beautiful on the plate. So for a good biryani, the appearance is all important. And this rice Grand is very special, extra long. It looks beautiful. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy that.
I do, sir. I'm sure. I do like it. And what about the consumers? How do you think the ratio of the consumers of Tilda Rice?
It is growing by the day. It's the #1 rice in the UK and plus in several other countries. We were the first company to bring Basmati to the UK. In the UK before Tilda, there was no Basmati available, and we were the first to actually bring Basmati in 1970s, almost 45 years ago.
So it's been a huge success to you all.
Absolutely, it's a huge success. It's the most loved brand in the UK, Tilda, and people love it, and and it continues to grow.
What's your good name, please, sir?
I'm Dilip Srinivasan.
It's nice to meet you, and I was very happy talking to you, and it was wonderful to hear about Tilda Rice. Of course, we are rice-eating people. We love it and in all the ways, and I wish you all the best. And wonderful and always welcome. If you are always here next year, we'll be interviewing you again.
Absolutely.
That's for sure.
We'll be there next year.
Have you got any special words to the Goans over the rice?
Yes. The Goan community is a fantastic, great community. Hard-working people, very spiritual people, religious people. So really nice, and they'll know how to have fun. So if you want to go to a party, go to a Goan party. So really good. Thanks.
So you will find the Tilda Rice there.
Absolutely, you'll find.
That's what I want.
Yeah.
I hope, and hopefully you promote the rice to all the Goans.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, and always welcome on our website, Nis Goenkar, wherein we'll be publishing this interview, and we are happy to have interviewed with you. Thank you for giving us the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.